Alright guys, went out and picked up the Ryobi 14-inch 2-cycle chainsaw today. We'll primarily be using it for cutting trails, ATV trails up north. Picked up the chainsaw, a bottle of bar and chain oil, and a couple files for sharpening, all for under $130. Pretty cheap. I'd usually be worried paying, under $200 for a chainsaw, but I've had good luck with the 2-cycle Ryobis in the past. So we decided to give it a shot. So we'll run it through its paces here and see how it goes. And if it turns out it's a piece of crap, then I guess I'm out the money and you're not. So let's have a look. All right, guys. Like most of these Ryobi 2 cycles, they got these directions somewhere on the machine here, and in my experience, if you follow them closely, they usually start right up. So we're gonna go through these instructions and see how quick it is. This will be the first startup that out of the box. So here we go. Saw that, but pretty much followed the instructions and it started up pretty close to what it said it was going to do. So let's see if it cuts. Guys, that was pretty much it. Not much of a test, but just to make sure it was running okay and that it actually worked. That wood was poplar, so it was really soft, so it might not hold up as well against some harder wood or after more extensive use. But I just wanted to mention a couple other things. It did come with a little bottle of 2-cycle lube. The chain immediately loosened up just on that little bit of cutting, which I guess is to be expected with the new chain. It seems pretty easy to tighten it up. And I also did have to adjust the underneath here. There's an adjustment screw for the chain lube. I noticed how it was set up out of the box. It didn't seem like it was getting enough lubrication on the chain, so I just gave that a quarter turn, and it seemed like it's nice and lubed up now. So I'll probably do another review after I use it a little more, after I get it up north. But for now, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.